And I think that's the limiting belief a lot of us have, to where we don't go fully at it. We don't play to win. We just play 50-50.
Play not to lose.
Because we know that once you do go hard, you're in the big leagues, like there's big responsibilities, all of that, man. So those are kind of some of the limiting beliefs I had. So I think those two things, the niching, the limiting beliefs, because I could say technology as a whole, as a lot of coaches, PTs will kind of relate to, but it was more limiting beliefs. Yeah.
Coaches love the tech thing, man, but
They love the tech thing, bro. Yeah.
like
I loved it as well, bro.
2023, man, like
It's different now.
you can't use a laptop, yeah. There's no excuse, man. Like it's and if you just start, you're gonna get better. I compare it to training. Like you didn't come out the womb deadlifting or squatting or lunging with perfect technique. Like you have to work on it.
And it is easier, to be fair, bro. When we started, to be fair, there was a lot of the things we was doing.
It's easier now. Like,
Yeah.
so much easier now. All right, cool. So then when did things start to shift for you then in terms of getting momentum, starting to get more clients? Like you're starting to see, okay, I see how I can actually generate leads every week, book calls every week.
Yeah. I think so obviously there was 2 mentorships that kind of had a big influence on my career, both our careers, right? With the